Hello and welcome to today's webinar about SD-WAN. My name is Ralph and today we're going to talk about SD-WAN. What is it? What problems does it solve? And how can you implement it in your own systems? The SD-WAN that we use uses Bondex software. So that means it has seamless redundancy through WAN aggregation and bonding. And it allows you to connect several internet connections and combine them. They will also receive the same IP address, so you won't have any hiccups in your system if a connection goes down. So what problems does it solve? First of all, it solves your uptime because it uses several internet connections. The one takes over if the other one goes down. That goes seamlessly, so you won't even notice. So therefore, your uptime is over 99%, which is a massive increase. Secondly, it increases your speed. Again, because it uses several internet connections, the internet speed of the second line will be added to the first line, and that will boost your speed even further. Thirdly, you can use it to create one network for several locations. For example, the traditional way MPLS networks that you can do with SD-WAN as well, and is a lot more cost effective because you don't need the expensive hardware. And the last benefit you can have with SD-WAN is for moving objects. Moving objects can be affected by borders. If they cross borders, the connection goes down. It needs to find a new network, and then it gets up again. With SD-WAN, you can build it in a way that the first line still has a connection on the old network, and the second internet connection is building it on the new network. It will take over again seamlessly if it crosses the border, and so you will have internet the entire time. So those are the main benefits that you can have from SD-WAN. So what can you do if you encounter one of the previous problems and want to fix it with our SD-WAN? Then we have basically three solutions for you to choose from. The first one is very simple. We can provide you with a license code, which you place on your own server, and then you basically build everything yourself. You provide the server, you provide the hardware, and you build the SD-WAN yourself. You're fully in control. The second option we have is we provide you, again, the license code, but also the server hosting. You yourself only have to provide a modem where you place everything on it, and then it works as well. And the third option that we have is our 5G Turbo. 5G Turbo is a plug and play solution that we have. So you will receive everything from us, from the license, the server, but also the hardware. Hardware will always be a Teltonica modem and then outdoor antenna. Everything is placed in a queue spot. So you have one wire that you have to connect, and that's it. It's fully up and running. In the SIM slot that we have, we can place you a high volume Dutch SIM card, but we can also provide you with a high volume German SIM card, or we can provide you a European SIM card that you can use as well. And then, of course, you can connect several other internet connections to it because the SD-WAN software is already on the modem. So those are basically the three options that we have, and depending on how much work you want to put in yourself, yeah, we can provide you with the best fitting solution. So I hope this gives you a better understanding about our SD-WAN, what it does, and how it can benefit you. If you have any questions or you want to know prices, please give me a call and I will help you on your way. Thanks very much.